Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. How's everyone's new year going? Hope you guys are doing well. For today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to create a thumbnail, and this thumbnail can basically help you with school projects and YouTube if you're going to plan on doing YouTube this year. So, if you guys do enjoy the video, go and leave a like and subscribe, and let's jump straight into it. First things first, you want to type in Canva in your search bar, and then once you have Canva, you're gonna search up create a design, and then you're gonna search up YouTube thumbnail, if I can spell it right. Oh my goodness. Okay, thumbnail right there. So Canva basically helps with creating stuff like presentation documents and thumbnails, such as what we're doing today. And over here in the designs, you can pick your templates. I have already picked mine, so we're gonna go to mine. And over here, you can basically pick your own. So like there's menu right here. You can just type in, let's see here, you can type in gaming templates. And you can have gaming templates, you can use those. Or if you want to do like food templates. Yeah, there's even templates for that. So once you find your template and put it in the page, you're gonna wanna add some stuff. So go to your elements and type in whatever you like. So like let's see here, I want to add something here. I've used this already, so I want to pick it out my search history. I'm gonna add some of these white lines, put it to the side, copy and paste, add some more, add it over here. Looks pretty good. And then you can just like mess around with this, create your own thumbnail, much like that. Once you're done creating it though, you're gonna you can upload an image. So I'm gonna download this. Can upload like a PNG, so I'm gonna upload one of my PNGs. It's uploaded, okay, and then I'm gonna pull it out. So once you have like this downloaded or whatever you're gonna put in, you want to drag it in, and then you could, oh, that's the wrong one. You want to drag it in, and then you'll get the image. So once you have the image, sorry. So once you have that image that you guys want, then you wanna I'm gonna put this over top real quick. Delete that. Once you have that image, you wanna put that image in, and then you can like edit it to make it brighter, darker. I'm gonna make mine a little brighter so you guys can see it. I'm gonna find a oh my goodness, I need water. Let's see here, mess around with it. This one's, oh, that's pretty good. Maybe let's go with this. Wait, where did it go? Let's go with that. And then once you're done messing with the filter, you can adjust it. I like the tint, the brightness, the contrast, the highlights. Can mess around with it. I'm gonna add some brightness and contrast to it. It looks better, so it blends in with the background. Let's see. There we go. Some vibrance. Ooh, that looks good already. Okay, then once you're done messing around with your image, then you want to go to your text. If you want to add text, I'm gonna add text. You don't have to add text, but let's see here, there shows a lot of options. I'm gonna pick, you know what, I'm gonna use the glow. Let's use the glow. This looks pretty cool. And then you can change the font, of course. I'm gonna use Horizon. This is the one I use. Let's see, number 1. You can put whatever you want for your title, but I'm gonna put number 1. I'm not gonna put any words. And then you can adjust the font just a little bit. That's too much right there. And then after you're done doing that, you can like put the final pieces to it, and then I'll show you what to do after you're done doing that. Okay, once you're done creating your thumbnail and putting the final touches to it, you're going to want to press share on the top right and then go down to download. And then you're going to click on file type and then click PNG. And then once you click that, you want to press download. And then you're not done here. So once you finish your downloading, you're going to want to take the image once it's done. You want to take that image, type in Cutout Pro, and it's basically a website where you can enhance the image. So I'm going to do that real quick. You drag it in, click your E, drag it in.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy, Arsenal's big brother. Here, we're going to make a new video here today. What are we making for Fortnite?
A thumbnail. We're making a thumbnail. And then once you're done making that thumbnail, you want to press on free download.
Oh, this is for your link.
Nope.
This is for the front page.
And then once it's done, you'll get something like this. Pretty sick.
What's going on, guys? This is the thumbnail of the final product. It's your boy, Arsenal's big brother here. As you can see, we have season 18 Fortnite. I don't know what season it is.
The heck?
We got the new upcoming skins right here. My favorite one, I want to say, is the Green Hulk. It's a She-Hulk, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm good. I don't even know. This is the last video of 2023. If you have any questions, why did you restart the video?
Looks pretty good, right? Hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. And it's Arsenal, and I hope you guys have a good year.